Okay, here's a video of a neighbor's house. He sanded an epoxy floor in the garage and then pressure washed everything out into the street. And this is the second time. So you can see all this sanded epoxy stuff is out in the street, in the gutter. It goes around the corner and goes down to the next block. It looks awful. And he got it on the sidewalk. He got it on the neighbor's mailbox. I don't know if you can see it well in the video, but it's got spots all over it from where the pressure washer blasted everything up. And over here on the neighbor's driveway and everything. Just totally unacceptable. Look, you can see, looking back here, the whole mess that is in the street. Totally unacceptable.